Living in Knoxville offers the best of both worlds, vibrant city life and peaceful residential neighborhoods. But whether you're near a busy road, close to the University of Tennessee campus, or in a bustling suburban development, unwanted noise can easily disrupt the peace and quiet of your home. Fortunately, one often overlooked solution to this problem is professional door installation. While most homeowners focus on windows and insulation when addressing noise control, doors play a critical role in minimizing sound transmission. Upgrading and properly installing doors can dramatically improve your home's soundproofing and enhance your comfort. Here's how door installation helps reduce noise, and why it's a smart investment for Knoxville residents. How sound travels through doors. Doors are one of the primary entry points for sound. Older or hollow core interior doors, poorly sealed exterior doors, and improperly fitted frames can all allow outside noise to filter into your home. Sounds from traffic, neighbors, barking dogs, or nearby construction easily pass through gaps or thin materials. Sound travels through both the air and solid materials. When a door lacks density or has open spaces around it, it provides an easy path for noise to invade your living space. The solution lies not only in choosing the right door but also in installing it correctly. Solid core and insulated doors block noise better. But when it comes to soundproofing, material matters. Hollow core doors, common in many older Knoxville homes, offer minimal sound protection. Replacing them with solid core interior doors significantly reduces sound transmission between rooms, creating quieter and more private spaces. For exterior doors, upgrading to insulated or solid wood doors is equally important. Many modern doors are designed with noise reduction in mind, featuring foam insulation, laminated glass, for sliding or French doors, and dense construction materials that help dampen sound waves. Sealing gaps and cracks during installation. Even the best door won't reduce noise effectively if it's not installed properly. Professional door installation ensures a tight, precise fit in the frame, minimizing air leaks and sound infiltration. Installers use techniques such as weather stripping around the door perimeter, threshold sweeps or drop seals at the bottom of the door, high quality, noise-reducing caulking around the frame. These small but crucial details make a big difference in how much sound gets through. Specialty acoustic doors for maximum quiet. For homeowners who work from home, have a home studio, or simply value tranquility, specialty acoustic doors offer enhanced soundproofing. These doors are specifically engineered to block high levels of noise and are ideal for home offices, media rooms, or bedrooms near busy streets. Professional installation ensures these advanced doors are mounted and sealed to manufacturer specifications, maximizing their performance and lifespan. Why Knoxville homeowners benefit. Most Knoxville's blend of urban and suburban environments means sound issues can vary from home to home. If your house is near a busy road like Kingston Pike or close to active neighborhoods like Bearden or Fountain City, unwanted noise can be a daily nuisance. Installing sound-reducing doors helps Knoxville homeowners enjoy more peaceful indoor environments, sleep better at night, focus during work from home hours, create quieter, more comfortable living spaces. Whether you're building new or updating your current home, door upgrades are a practical step toward a quieter life. Professional installation makes all the difference. Hiring a skilled door installer ensures your investment performs as it should. A professional can assess your home's needs, recommend the best materials for noise control, and execute the installation with precision. They'll also check for structural issues or frame misalignments that can impact door performance over time. Final thoughts. If you're looking to reduce noise in your Knoxville home, don't overlook the roll door's play in your overall soundproofing strategy. From the materials you choose to the quality of installation, every detail matters. A professionally installed, high-quality door doesn't just look great, it helps you create a quieter, more enjoyable home environment. Ready to restore peace and quiet? Talk to a trusted Knoxville door installation expert and explore the best solutions to soundproof your space, starting with your doors.